Alright, so here we have a topic equation review, which is N1-3. Okay, this will probably be part one of several, so look for more. Alright, so we're solving equations for x, and the idea is to isolate the variable. Whenever we have fractions, one of the quick ways to get rid of them is multiply the entire equation by the common denominator. So between 2 and 4, the common denominator would be 4. So when we multiply that equation, we get 6x. Okay, 4 times 1/4 goes away, so now I have minus x minus 5. And then 4 times 10 is 40. Okay, then this becomes a much easier problem to work out. We distribute the negative. Combine like terms. Subtract the 5 from both sides, and we divide out, and x equals 7. Okay, let's try another one. This one's a quadratic, so we do it a little differently. To solve a quadratic equation, you have to factor it. Okay, so it's a trinomial, and it has no GCF. So we're going to go with 5 times 2 is 10, and the factors of 10, and that's it. Okay, we're going to subtract them. This is positive, so it's just subtraction. We get 3 here, so this is the set we want to use. So we rewrite 5x squared plus 5x minus 2x minus 2. Okay. Factor by grouping, so I'm going to pull a 5 out of both, 5x out of both of those, and I get x plus 1. I'm going to pull a negative 2 out of both of those, so minus 2 leaves me x plus 1. Common factor, so x plus 1 times 5x minus 2 equals 0. Okay, so to have an answer of 0, one of these or both of these would be equal to 0. So we say x plus 1 equals 0. So x equals negative 1. We'll say 5x minus 2 equals 0. So 5x equals 2. So x equals 2/5. Okay. So both of those are our answer. All right. Let's try another one. 3x squared minus 48 equals 0. Again, it's a quadratic because x is squared. Two terms means we're going to have to look at our rule sheet. But first, I notice that 3 and 48 have the common factor of 3. So I can rewrite this as 3 times x squared minus 16. Okay, so the 3 is kind of done, so we're just going to carry that down. X squared minus 16, they're both perfect squares, so difference of squares, x plus 4, x minus 4. Okay, so x plus 4 equals 0, or x minus 4 equals 0, which means x is either negative 4 or x is positive 4.